I don't like it. I saw it.
We grew up on Carter. It was Carter 3, wasn't it?
I grew up on the Carter 2, and the Carter 3 was like the last.
I grew up on this shit too. I'm talking about his last album that was like...
That was alright. Yeah, it was Carter 3. Which is our high school year. Early high school years, like 9th grade, 10th grade.
Somebody said Wayne ass. Bro, he not ass. He just do drugs now, bro. That's what changed a lot of rappers, man. Like Future. For some of y'all that don't know, Future is one of the most cultural rappers. And what I mean by cultural rappers...
Christmas special. KT, come to Memphis, I'll blow your shit off simple.
He said, come to Memphis, he'll get you out the way.
That's tough, because I'll smack the fuck out of you.
He was talking about hooping.
Gift card for Christmas.
Hey, when you start cussing at me, I'm thinking violence. You start cussing, I'm thinking violence.
Hey, thanks for the sub, bro. Hey, I'm not coming to Memphis, bro. I'm not going nowhere. Niggas gotta come to me. I would never in my life change my ways for another man, bro. One thing y'all been knowing about me since day one, I don't care how many subscribers nobody got. And that's the difference between me and everybody else. I don't care if they got way more subscribers than me. I'm not going to do nothing but what the fuck I want to do, bro. At the end of the day, I'm going to run everything I do. I'm my own boss, bro. I don't give a fuck about no events. People made this... bro, it's just so crazy, bro. Sometimes I be feeling like I'm LeBron James with this YouTube basketball shit, and I don't even care about basketball. I just do this shit for the entertainment for y'all. I dropped out of school a year ago. But at the end of the day, I'm going to entertain my niggas, bro. Y'all, all that matters to me, bro. Like, y'all be telling me all this shit. People said this and people said that. And I always come at y'all with the same response. Whatever the fuck we want to do. Everybody that come to me now automatically assume that it's a 10-0 situation. Flight React started this trend. Smell that. You smell that? Flight React started this fake ass trend that every YouTuber I go against, I got a 10-0. Bro, I don't even feel like playing defense all the time, bro. I know if I play defense for real, nobody can score on me. I could 10-zip Christopher London. He can't dribble. As soon as he put it on the floor, I'm going to take it. He ain't got no... He could shoot wide open. That's it. I mean, anybody could shoot wide open.
He's a bitch, too.
We keeping it in, bro. Chill, bro.
Man, fuck these niggas, bro.
No.
Said chill to some niggas. We said,
bro, chill.
Fuck that nigga too. Shit, he can get. Hey,
10 balls. See if the chat wanna bump it. At RJ Paper Stacks on YouTube. The song called Lavish.
The nigga talking crazy won't even come here. You said chill to a nigga that won't even come to you to hoop. Yeah. Fuck that nigga, bro. Fuck that nigga. I'll beat his ass. He can get it too. Or I beat him on 2-on-2, 1-on-1. I don't give. Listen, bro. If these niggas ain't gang, I have no sympathy. I don't give no fucks about none of you.
Bro, this shit is, just relax, buddy. We get it. We know.
I'm just saying, like, fuck them. Fuck them.
Bro, this is why niggas be mad at me. Oh, you back out of Cash Nasty.
I ain't saying, I'm saying we can hoop. But I'm saying is, and when they come here and they on other shit, I'm on other shit too. I'm here for the violence.
I was just here for the bangers.
That too.
Yo, talking crazy to Shootta can get this RKO. Then this pump kick. Simple.
That's funny. I like that. You creative. But I smack you
bro,
too.
You gotta chill with this extra shit you be on though, my nigga. Cause you gotta understand at the end of the day, bro, this shit is about the bangers. You gotta put your pride to the side sometimes. You have to. I learned it. Now you gotta learn it, bitch. And stop putting me in these bum ass situations. Because if I don't play them, it ain't gonna be about, oh, his shooter. It's gonna be Solluminati backed out. That's what they gonna say.
True. But shit, that mean they scary. What the fuck are you scared for me just talking for? You a whole bitch. Expose them for who they are. Nigga, we are, at the end of the day, we are men. For me saying something on stream, you don't want to play no more, you a bitch. Yes or no?
Bro, it's not about
yes
that.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Bro, it's not about that, though. It's about the bangers, bitch. Listen, bangers. What's breaking 1 million views? Put your pride to the side. Fuck fighting. Fuck arguing. Fuck everything. Let's just hoop.
Tell him who. Tell him who.
Catch this RKO and hold this L like Conor McGregor.
I'm not telling these niggas shit. I wish I would reach out to somebody again. Everybody reaching out to me now, but when we had 200, 300, 400K reacting to everybody's videos, I couldn't even get in touch with niggas. Niggas is just ignoring me. Now, motherfuckers creating events for themselves, trying to get bread off the wave. You got motherfuckers talking crazy. It had nothing to do with fighting, though, bitch. It had everything to do with basketball.
I don't give a fuck about shit, nigga.
Obviously, but I was just letting you know, bro. Niggas ain't got time for that extra shit you be on, bro. Simple.
Listen, if a nigga want to hoop, we can hoop. I would chill. But if a nigga hit me with a flagrant 2, if a nigga hit me with a motherfucking flagrant 2, I'm flagrant 2. I'm flagrant 2. I got hype. There ain't nothing in here. I ain't gonna say.
I'm just making sure, big fella. This dropped mighty hard. Huh.
KT, come to Memphis. Shooters gone shoot simple.
I fuck with Memphis. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all some cool people. But y'all gotta catch me with a breeze at. It's too cold in Memphis. Fuck that. Fuck that.
What video? Send me some thotties y'all want me to react to, cause I'm about to get ready to smoke. So after I smoke, I'm gonna be in my zone, man. I ain't gonna want to be on this Twitch shit too long. This is my shit right here, though. Hold on, we ain't even listen to the whole shit.
Just told me my wife it possessive. Adderall just so we can go restless. We fucking all night long, no breakfast, no confessions, no questions, no professionals. Around me like an open road, no pedestrian. You buy the car for the bitch, I buy the nurse for the bitch. You buy a car for the shit, it's nice, I just walk on the bitch. You buy the art for the bitch, you're always too often and shit. You always starting some shit, that shit come off for the bitch. I don't run homies, I miss it. Ain't no intelligent bitch, this ain't no car doing shit.
His Shootta, you're missing out. It's better than US Drill. Simply I'd recommend 1011. Next up.
Did you just shout out your mixtape in my stream, my nigga? I know when it's your mixtape and when it's not, my nigga. You want me to react to your mixtape? Listen, I can't do nothing for you, my guy. I'm not a manager. I can't sign you. Stop sending me your mixtape. Listen, I'm not doing no... I don't give a fuck if you pay me $2,000 for a reaction to your music. I'm not doing it. I don't fuck with music on YouTube. Every time I react to music, I get copyrighted. Why y'all think all y'all favorite music reactors be skipping over all type of shit? Because we get copyrighted for that shit. Because every nigga that tell us to react to their shit, a motherfucker send us their shit, be like, bro, react to my music, and then try to copyright and get paid for your shout out to them. I don't react to music, bro. I don't want to be known as a reactor. I know my reaction's lit, and we don't even be trying. We just do us. You get what I'm saying? But I don't want to be known as no reactor. I don't want to have 1 million or 2 million only getting 200 or 300,000 views. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to be known as a reactor. I want to be known as Solluminati.
We do RLs, bitch.
Nigga named Ben Wallace.
KT, the real nigga, the YouTube community lacking at the moment.
Can't let this nigga get on YouTube because he too fucking extra. Bro.
I ain't lacking. I just can't put my straps on YouTube no more. But I swear to God, I ain't lacking. I got that thing.
This nigga just be on the extra shirt. You can't bring the street shit into a business, bro. You can't.
Shit, my nigga Boosie did.
And what happened?
Shit, he out here making that cheese.
What happened?
Shit.
Before that.
For what?
My point is that
He was making cheese.
he got locked up.
Oh yeah, I've been locked up plenty of times.
Obviously, but I'm saying
That's in the
when
books.
it comes to
That's
YouTube, you
a part of
gotta
the
put
resume.
the extra shit to the side, bro. This not about you, my nigga. It's about the fans and the banger. Every time niggas want to do some lit shit, y'all know who gonna be recording for me. It's gonna be this nigga. But every time I have this nigga, he on some extra shit, bro.
E-I-N-G Brown.
What? You ain't get nothing for Christmas, did you? You a school shooter. You gonna be in school on. Niggas be wearing their best outfits for school. How many of y'all got some new clothes? Niggas can't wait to wear their outfits to school. They be in the mirror like these.
I remember them days.
I remember them days too. Nigga get that fresh fit for Christmas. It can't wait for school to start back.
First day of school, the first
I
day of
always
kids.
got the 11s. Space Jams, cool grades, fucking.
Leave the explanation for the Christmas special.
The Christmas special, bro, it's Christmas right now. The special is streaming for y'all, obviously.